Hello, this is Mooji with Mooji Truck Sales. I am here today in Bakersfield, California, and I am telling you about Soto Welding, our partner company. They are a welder and they have a welding shop here. They work on dump trucks. If you want them to install a dump truck for you, or they also repair tow trucks. They're working on a tow truck right now, right there, as you can see. And they also install lift gates. So you'll see here we have aluminum lift gates right here. We have a few lift gates. Oh my God, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They have rail lift gates right here, rail lift gates, and they have trailers as well. So if you need to bring let's say a box for installation, let's say you bought a box somewhere else, or you bought a dump truck that's an old dump truck that's not working, or anything that you want to remove the system from and install on another truck, they have a trailer here. They will go pick it up for you. And they also work on bucket trucks. This is a bucket truck system that they removed, and this is a reefer box that they removed. We actually own this reefer box. They removed it for us from a truck, a box truck, and it's for sale. The system is working, and it's a 26-foot long. And this is another reefer box as well, that you can see that they removed the unit from it because I don't know what they did. So we sold it to them and they took care of it. So anyways, here is Soto Welding in Bakersfield. Come on down, we'll take care of you. They're honest. I will not recommend someone who is not honest or someone who doesn't do quality work. And this is what happens when you meet. Everything happens with word of mouth. Word of mouth is the best way to find good businesses, and I can definitely vouch for them. They're the best. Thank you, and I hope to see you here. And please post something about your business. Tell us about your business. We want to know what you do. We want to help you. We want to send customers your way. We want to come work with you. So don't be shy. Thank you. Bye-bye.